Hi everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the best extra virgin olive oils of 2024. We've rounded up the top 5 finest options that stand out for their exceptional quality and flavor. From drizzling on salads to enhancing your favorite dishes, these EVOOs are sure to elevate your cooking. Stay tuned to see which ones made our list and why they're worth trying. Let's get started. Number 5. The Graza Sizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a culinary gem designed to elevate your cooking with its exceptional quality and innovative packaging. Sourced from single-farm picule olives in Jaén, Spain, this 750 milliliter GMO-free EVOO offers a mellow, smooth flavor ideal for everyday use. Harvested in mid-season, the olives ensure a more stable oil, perfect for high-heat cooking, from roasting vegetables to frying chicken cutlets. What sets Sizzle apart is its unique BPA-free squeeze bottle, providing precise control over your oil distribution. This not only reduces mess, but also enhances your cooking experience by allowing you to drizzle just the right amount. The high polyphenol content of the picule olives ensures long-lasting freshness and stability, making it a reliable choice in your kitchen. User reviews highlight the convenience of the squeeze bottle, praising it for its ease of use and cleanliness. The oil's rich texture and flavor also earn high marks, with one reviewer noting its ability to make dishes absolutely delicious. Additionally, the bottle's reusability is a bonus, allowing you to refill it with your favorite oils. In summary, Graza Sizzle EVOO is more than just an olive oil. It's a versatile, high-quality cooking companion that brings both flavor and convenience to your kitchen. Whether you're frying, baking, or drizzling, Sizzle is up to the task. Number 4. The Atlas 750 milliliter organic cold-press extra virgin olive oil offers a premium taste of Morocco's finest olives, harvested from a single-family farm in the Atlas Mountains. This high-quality EVOO is cold-pressed to preserve its rich polyphenol content, ensuring maximum health benefits. Trusted by Michelin-starred chefs, this Moroccan olive oil delivers a delicately complex aroma, blending hints of almonds, culinary herbs, sweet bananas, lemons, and basil. The unique climate and high-altitude environment of the Atlas Mountains contribute to the exceptional quality of this olive oil, making it a standout choice for those seeking authenticity and purity. The 100% organic nature of this oil means it's free from harmful chemicals, offering a safe and healthy option for your kitchen. Whether used for cooking, baking, or as a finishing touch to salads and dips, the subtle yet sophisticated flavor profile of Atlas EVOO elevates any dish. Users rave about the oil's pure, unadulterated taste, noting its lightness and lack of harsh aftertaste. One reviewer appreciated its affordability compared to other premium Moroccan oils, while another highlighted the peace of mind that comes with knowing they're consuming a pure product, free from adulteration with other vegetable oils. In summary, Atlas Organic Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a top-tier choice for those who value quality, flavor, and health. Its refined taste and ethical production make it a worthy addition to any kitchen. Number 3. The 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Extra Virgin Mediterranean Olive Oil offers a blend of quality, flavor, and value that makes it a staple in any kitchen. Packaged in a generous 33.8 fluid ounces bottle, this cold-processed olive oil is crafted to meet the rigorous quality standards of the International Olive Council, ensuring you receive a product that's both pure and flavorful. With its Mediterranean roots, this olive oil boasts a rich, deep flavor that's perfect for a variety of culinary uses. Whether you're drizzling it over salads, incorporating it into homemade dressings, or using it as a finishing touch on roasted vegetables, this oil stands up beautifully to added herbs and seasonings, enhancing the taste of your dishes. One of the standout features of 365 by Whole Foods Market products is the commitment to quality and trust. This olive oil, like all their products, is free from over 100 potentially harmful ingredients, ensuring you're consuming only the best. Additionally, the convenience of purchasing this high-quality product through Amazon adds to its appeal. User reviews highlight the oil's health benefits and robust flavor. One customer shared that they take a tablespoon daily for health reasons, noting that they feel great after just 3 weeks of use. Another praised its depth of flavor, especially when used in salad dressings. In summary, 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Extra Virgin Mediterranean Olive Oil offers exceptional quality at an accessible price, making it an excellent choice for both health-conscious and flavor-focused consumers. Number 2. Pompan Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil, in its generous 68 fluid ounces bottle, offers a mild and delicate flavor that makes it a versatile choice for all your cooking needs. Expertly crafted from first cold-pressed olives by a family of farmers, this EVOO is a testament to Pompan's commitment to quality, which has been trusted since 1906. This olive oil is ideal for sautéing, stir-frying, and even as a finishing drizzle on dishes, thanks to its smooth taste that enhances food without overpowering it. Whether you're crisping up tofu, stir-frying vegetables, or sautéing chicken, this oil delivers consistent, delicious results. Its light flavor also makes it a seamless substitute for seed oils in baking, maintaining the integrity of your recipes without altering their taste. Certified for authenticity by the North American Olive Oil Association, Pompan Smooth EVOO is naturally gluten-free, non-allergenic, kosher, and non-GMO verified, ensuring a product that's both healthy and trustworthy. User reviews emphasize the value and practicality of this olive oil. One reviewer appreciates the large size and affordability, making the switch from seed oils easier without sacrificing quality. Another reviewer highlights its excellent performance in the kitchen and the cost-saving benefit of refilling smaller bottles. In summary, Pompan Smooth Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a high-quality, versatile option for everyday cooking, offering great value and a mild, pleasant flavor that complements a wide range of dishes. Its large size and affordability make it a smart choice for both home cooks and culinary enthusiasts. Number 1. The 365 by Whole Foods Market Extra Virgin Mediterranean Olive Oil is a solid choice for those seeking quality and affordability in a single product. Packaged in a 33.8 fluid ounces bottle, this olive oil is part of the reputable 365 by Whole Foods Market brand, known for its commitment to rigorous quality standards. Certified by the International Olive Council, it ensures a level of trust that consumers can rely on. This Mediterranean blend offers a well-balanced flavor with a hint of peppery finish, a characteristic often associated with authentic extra virgin olive oils. It's versatile enough for various culinary uses, from drizzling on salads to sautéing vegetables, making it a staple in any kitchen. Users appreciate the quality and price point of this olive oil. One reviewer mentions the disappointment of a price increase but acknowledges its reasonable cost compared to other options. Another reviewer highlights their concerns about authenticity in the EVOO market and praises this product for its certification and protective dark-tinted bottle, which helps preserve the oil's beneficial compounds. While some might find the initial taste less pleasant than more expensive options, the overall value makes this olive oil a worthy contender. For those looking to incorporate a reliable and flavorful extra virgin olive oil into their cooking routine, the 365 by Whole Foods Market Extra Virgin Mediterranean Olive Oil is a great option that balances quality and cost effectively.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.